Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Instagram Map. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta log into your Instagram account and then you gotta redirect yourself to the direct messages of Instagram. That is an icon right over here. Once you do so, you'll be able to see it says introducing the Instagram map. So you gotta click on this map icon here at the top. So once you click on that, you'll be able to see that it says see what everyone's up to. You can catch up with friends and see what's around you, discover places and posts. No one can see your location until you have shared it with them and share with people you trust. You can change your privacy settings. You can click on next and then they're going to ask whether you want to share with friends, with close friends or only with the specific group of people or you don't want to share with anyone. So for example, if you select close friends, so all the people that are in your close friends will be able to see your location. Once done, simply click on share location and then click on continue, and you can also allow Instagram to use your location. So if your friends have enabled map as well, you'll be able to see their location right over here as well. You can simply search for any friend and you'll be able to see their location on this map only if they have enabled that as well. So that's how you can use Instagram Map. So if you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.